So today we are going to start with the activity number 1. So over here you have to prepare phthalic anhydride. Okay, so as you can see the reaction, we have to take phthalic acid. When heated, what will it form? It will form phthalic anhydride. Okay, so first we will see what are the apparatus which is used. So evaporating dish, this is known as evaporating dish. Next is funnel. Next cotton. Next tripod stand. This is tripod stand. Next wire gauge. This is known as wire gauge. Pair of tongs. This one. Filter paper. Okay, and etc. That means we can say Bunsen burner is also required for this. Without the burner we cannot eat it. Okay, so let's start with the experiment. I am going to take this china dish. I have already weighed 2 gram of phthalic acid over here. So first we are going to take 2 gram of phthalic acid in a dry evaporating dish. Please ensure that there is no water droplets in your china dish. Okay, so I have already weighed 2 gram. So I am going to transfer this 2 gram over here. Ensure that all the particles are getting transferred. So I have already transferred this in the china dish. Next, or the evaporating dish, whatever you want to say. Cover the dish with filter paper having number of small holes in the center. So I have made little bit of small holes inside the filter paper. Okay, so you can make these holes with the help of pencil. Okay, so what I am going to do, cover the dish with filter paper having number of small holes in the center. Keep an inverted funnel on the filter paper. So the arrangement will be, I am going to keep this filter paper above that. Inverted means in this manner. Okay, so this I have to keep it above the evaporating dish. Now next, and close nozzle of the funnel with cotton plug. What is a nozzle? This is known as the nozzle of funnel, and I am going to cover it with the cotton. Why I am doing it? Because so that whenever it is evaporating, when you heat, the vapors should not come out of the funnel. That's the reason we are going to close this. Okay, so this is the arrangement which is used for this experiment. Now, place evaporating dish on the tripod stand with wire guard as shown in the above figure. So as you can see the figure, you have to do such kind of arrangement while keeping it. So I have taken tripod stand. I am going to put on the burner and see to it that there is low flame. Okay, so the flame should be low. Then now heat the china dish slowly and carefully on low flame. I am going to keep this china dish over here. Okay, so this is the arrangement. Now after some time the acid sublimes and anhydride collects on the inner side of the funnel. So it will take little bit of the time. That means the substance has to go and stick to the walls of the funnel. That time I will show to you how it looks. You can see some crystal which is getting formed. Okay, that is nothing but the phthalic anhydride, and the shape of that is needle shape. Okay, so we'll allow it to heat for some more time, and afterwards we'll see what is the changes. So now the crystals have formed, therefore I am going to put off the burner and slowly with the help of tongs I am going to remove this So you can see the crystals which is formed inside. So we'll allow it to cool for some time and afterwards we are going to transfer all these things. Okay. So I have taken a crucible and I have weighed it so that I have to find out the yield of the product now, that is phthalic anhydride. So what am I going to do? I note down this weight of the crucible. Then I'll transfer the crystals into this crucible and afterwards I'll again weigh it. Then if I subtract both of the things, I'll get the weight of the product. Okay. So now as this thing is cooled, I am going to transfer this thing in the crucible. So if you want, but ensure that all the crystals are going inside the crucible. I have weighed this crucible. So now I am going to weigh this. So now I am going to weigh this and see what is the weight exactly. So it is coming to be 44.025. Okay. So let's see what exactly the weight is. So I am going to write down this weight 44.026. So after weighing the compound, I have written everything. Weight of the crucible was 43.742 grams. Then weight of crucible plus product is 44.026 grams. So weight of product is equal to weight of crucible plus product minus weight of crucible. So I did that thing. I got it as 0.284 gram is my yield of the phthalic anhydride. And in color of the crystal, you can write it as white color crystal, or you can as well write it as colorless. It is according to you what you are going to observe. Okay. Shape of the crystal will be needle shaped. Okay.